Welcome aboard everyone, and thank you for watching the Cruise Travel Videos channel. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the standout features of the Norwegian Breakaway, the innovative outdoor promenade known as the Waterfront. This space is a game changer in the world of cruising, offering stunning ocean views, a variety of dining options, and a place to relax and enjoy the sea breeze. As we take this tour together, I'll walk you through everything the Waterfront has to offer, from the cozy seating areas perfect for a quiet moment, to the lively bars and restaurants where you can enjoy a meal or a drink with friends and family. We'll also look at how this unique promenade enhances the overall cruise experience, making it easier to connect with the sea and enjoy your time on board. So, join me as we dive into the details of the Waterfront and discover why it's such a beloved feature of the Norwegian Breakaway. Whether you're planning your next cruise or just dreaming of the open ocean, this tour will give you a taste of what makes this ship truly special. Let's get started. Today, we're exploring one of the Norwegian Breakaway's most iconic features, the Waterfront, an outdoor promenade that stretches over a quarter of a mile, or about 400 meters, along both sides of the ship. This beautifully designed space lets you experience the open ocean while enjoying top-notch dining, drinks, and entertainment. We'll start our walk on the port side, heading aft, beginning with La Cucina, an inviting Italian restaurant offering a range of classic dishes like pasta, pizza, and more. The outdoor seating here is charming, with rustic tables that allow you to savor your meal while enjoying the sea breeze. Next up is Shaker's Cocktail Bar, renowned for its expertly crafted cocktails. Whether you're in the mood for a traditional martini or something more adventurous, Shaker's offers a comfortable spot to sit back and enjoy a drink, surrounded by the lively atmosphere of the Waterfront. As we continue walking aft, you'll notice the Tradewinds shop's entrances, which offer a variety of duty-free shopping options. You can find everything from luxury goods to souvenirs here, perfect for a bit of retail therapy during your cruise. Approaching the aft end of the port side, we come to Cagney's Steakhouse, a favorite among guests for its perfectly cooked steaks and classic sides. The outdoor seating at Cagney's allows you to enjoy a rich, flavorful meal while soaking in the stunning views of the ocean. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the aft area of the Waterfront. This spot offers panoramic views of the ship's wake as it glides through the water, making it a perfect place to relax and enjoy the serene beauty of the open sea. Continuing our tour, we'll move over to the starboard side of the Waterfront, starting with Moderno Churrascaria, a Brazilian steakhouse known for its grilled meats carved tableside. The outdoor seating here is ideal for those who enjoy dining under the sky, with the ocean as a backdrop. Next, we arrive at the bake shop, where you can indulge in a variety of sweet treats, including pastries and other baked goods. It's a great stop for anyone with a sweet tooth, offering delightful desserts in a cozy setting. Right next door, you'll find Dolce Gelato, a must-visit for gelato lovers. With a range of delicious flavors, it's the perfect way to cool down on a warm day while taking in the waterfront's vibrant atmosphere. As we continue forward, we reach the Ocean Blue restaurant, an elegant dining venue offering fresh seafood dishes. With its outdoor seating, Ocean Blue provides a sophisticated setting for a meal where you can enjoy the fresh catch of the day while watching the waves roll by. Next up is Wasabi, a sushi bar where you can enjoy freshly prepared sushi and sashimi. It's a fantastic spot for a light, flavorful meal with the option to dine outdoors and take in the stunning ocean views. Adjacent to Wasabi is the Raw Bar, an extension of Ocean Blue that offers fresh oysters, clams, and other shellfish. It's a popular spot for seafood lovers looking for a quick, refreshing bite. As we move along, we come to the Humidor Cigar Lounge, a dedicated space for cigar enthusiasts. With comfortable seating and a selection of premium cigars, it's an ideal place to unwind and enjoy a fine smoke in a sophisticated setting. Next is Malting's Whiskey Bar, where whiskey lovers can sample a wide range of whiskeys from around the world. This bar offers a warm, inviting atmosphere, making it a perfect place to relax with a drink, especially as the sun begins to set. Finally, our tour concludes at Sid Norman's Poorhouse, a lively venue offering live music and a rock and roll vibe. It's a great place to end your walk along the waterfront with a fun atmosphere and plenty of entertainment. The waterfront on the Norwegian Breakaway truly enhances the cruising experience, offering a unique blend of dining, relaxation, and entertainment, all with the ocean as your backdrop. Whether you're enjoying a meal, having a drink, or simply taking in the view, this promenade is a must-explore feature of the ship. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the waterfront. If you're planning a cruise on the Norwegian Breakaway, be sure to set aside time to enjoy everything this incredible space has to offer. Let's continue exploring all that this amazing ship has in store.